Tired of wasting hours hunting for the perfect B-roll? What if AI could create stunning royalty-free scenes in seconds? I'll show you how, with Virbo's AI generation. Searching for free B-roll is time-consuming and limiting. With Virbo, generate custom AI visuals tailored to your video's mood. No copyright worries, just click and create. Let's take this clip for example. Tired of wasting hours recording intros? What if AI could handle 50% of your production work? Let's fix your workflow in 3 minutes. While the avatar explains AI's efficiency boost, it might feel a bit flat. That's when you should click open the AI generation panel to bring it to life. You can describe your scene. Be specific, for example. The creator clicks a button in front of the computer to generate exquisite content with one click, smiling and looking very relaxed. And the AI gets it. Choose the duration you want, 5 or 8 seconds. Let's go with 5 seconds, which is pretty enough since this clip is short. Hit Generate. And in 10 seconds, you'll have HD magic. All you need to do is to drag it into your timeline. Let's see the difference. Tired of wasting hours recording intros? What if AI could handle 50% of your production work? Let's fix your workflow in 3 minutes. Tired of wasting hours recording intros? What if AI could handle 50% of your production work? Let's fix your workflow in 3 minutes. Much better, right? Stop settling for generic stock footage. Create B-roll that wows your audience. Try Virbo AI today. Your first stunning scene is free. Link in description.